quick ride to J&S for oil.
Oh, donuts! I'm getting some of them. You got a few boys out. One, 2, 5. No outlet. You think I'm not getting some dust bunch? You're crazy. I mean crazy, cuz. Hey? The fuck's on his exhaust? Brother,